Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video we will be talking about how to turn off ask permission on App Store on an iPhone. So the steps are going to be pretty simple. First you need to head over to settings, and in settings you need to simply click on your profile. As you can see, my name at the very top, and now we need to scroll. Actually we can see this option of payment and shipping and stuff like that. So you need to head over to this media and purchases, right, under iCloud. So click on this and simply head over to password settings, and you can see there it is, the option of free downloads, right? You need to make sure that it is turned off and it will no longer ask you for permission on App Store. You need to enter your password to just simply turn it off. So yeah, that was pretty much it, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.